Hi everyone, Justin Cooper-White, Head of School Chemical Engineering, and we're back in the Andrew Liveris building for one of our walkthroughs. What we're going to do every month is give you a bit of an update on what's happening inside the building. I'm going to do that by walking through each floor and showing you some progress that's happening, obviously, as we do each of our walkthroughs. Today we're going to focus on floor 6 and then also show you some other things that are obviously happening throughout the building. So right now, we're actually sitting in one of our amazing student learning centres. Obviously what's really important to us as a school and to us as a university is that we provide our students with the best learning opportunities, the best learning experiences and the best learning outcomes. And we do that by supporting them in providing spaces for them to actually interact with other students, for them to obviously study and collaborate with each other, for them to have just a space just to chill out at times, after all of those obviously intensive lectures and workshops and tutorials and labs. This particular room on floor 6 is the alumni room. So this room has been supported generously by 5 of our wonderful alumni who have decided to donate to a room which actually supports obviously student learning, which supports our continual drive for gender equity in chemical engineering and of course in engineering across all other disciplines. This place obviously provides an environment where everyone can come and interact and be together. This is not the only student learning centre. We'll see other student learning centres on other floors as we go through each of those. But this is level 6 student learning centre, the alumni room. Let's go have a look at some other things.